Louis Vuitton on the go. So, it's the teddy. Parang siyang teddy bear. Hindi siya structured as compared to mga dating mga on the go. But I'm very into Fendi right now. Yee! Marami na ako nitong Fendi first na shows. Back to my channel. This is Aimee, and today is going to be a very remarkable episode because for the first time, I'm going to give in to all your requests. I know that you know that I don't do unboxing, but for the first time ever, I'm going to unbox what I got for myself for my birthday. That I'm very into Fendi right now. Yee! Marami na ako nitong Fendi first na shows. I know that, even in my Q&As that I don't do unboxing, I'm not a fan. Ang dami nagre-request, pero hindi ko siya kaya gawin. Ewan ko, for some reason, parang alam niyo naman ako, limited is life. So I feel like everyone's doing unboxing, so I don't feel like doing it too. But sige, pagbigyan natin because it's year-end and I feel like 2021 has been a very trying year. So, ibigay natin ang hilig niyo. So, hindi lahat to na ito yung binili ko ng birthday ko ha. Ito lang yung favorites ko na binili ko ng birthday ko kasi alam niyang hoarder ako. So, simulan na natin. Because limited is life, I got myself this one. This is a limited edition na Louis Vuitton on the go. So, it's the teddy. Parang siyang teddy bear. Hindi siya structured as compared to mga dating mga on the go. So, when I saw this, nalumabas siya bago pa siya i-out sa stores, add to cart na lola mo. So, alam mo na yun. Budol yun sa akin. So, the inside lining, I'll just give a quick review for it. Yung labas kasi niya is puffy. So, ang cute-cute niya tignan. Parang feeling ko naka-puffer jacket ako sa bag ko. And then, the inside is monogram. And I love how it looks like yung sa tag niya. Parang, diba, limited talaga. So, yun. Budol na naman si bakla. That's the first item that I got. So, second one was this one. Ayan. So, I got myself a Aimee ring. The Be My Love. But this time, since I have a few. Masaysayan. I got the one with diamonds. So, makatotohanan lang si lola mo. Of course, I bought something more, but this one na lang yung pakita natin. Because, ayan, ito yung binili ko na may dias. Di pa natin afford yung fully paid. So, ayan. I got myself one. That's my Christmas birthday gift for myself. So, that's number 2. Aimee actually, just a quick trivia. Aimee has a long history with sa mga royalties because they are very well-known makers of the royal family for their mga crowns and all. So actually, mas kilala ang Aimee for mga tiaras, for mga crowns kasi sila talaga yung gumagawa ng mga yon para sa royal family. So yan, that's a quick trivia. Kaya nasa super elite yan, nandoon yan sa pinaka high-end na mga jewelry like mga graph and stuff. But we're going to discuss one time soon if I feel like it. Okay, eto, dami ha. Sabi ko, favorite lang, lahat nalabas no? Okay, I know that na hindi ako nag-unbox ng Hermes, but sige, bigay natin today. Para happy tayong lahat. Let's start. Wag mo na yan. Bag. Teka lang. Sige na nga. Ito na lang. Okay, so this is the mini bolide. This is, actually, bumalik siya sa uso. O, diba? It's purple, it's limited, it's life. So, I got this one and when I was disposing of some of my bags, some of my limited bags, one of my clients and parang naging friend ko na din siya, offered me this one kasi she really loved that because it's limited. The one that I have, talagang one time lang siyang nilabas and then wala na talaga. Kasi kahit saan ka maghanap ka sa pawn shop, wala kang makita. So ayun, when I saw that it's parang oh sige, okay, let's do it. So when I brought this to the States for OOTD, I found out that it's back pala, the size, everything mini talaga ngayon is in, diba? So sabi ko, akala ko, ano lang, okay lang. But when everyone saw that I was wearing it, sabi ko, parang ang dami biglang naka-mini mo rin. So it's cute, it's perfect timing. So, ayan, I got it for my birthday. Another one is, makakahiya. Pero sige, bigay na natin. Isa lang to it's my current obsession now. So this one, I got this. This is pre-owned because I cannot buy a new one. And you know that my favorite color is purple. And this is Elan. So Elan is more limited than the Constance 24, which I have quite a number of. So when I saw this in purple from Xiaoma, I'm friends with them. Sabi ko, oh my god, what are you doing to me? As in, they know right away na talaga bibilin ko siya. So I was thinking about this or the white one, but I know that I cannot, you know, keep or maintain the white one. So si Ollie actually binilan ko siya ng mini na na limited. Mas malala siya sa akin. So this is purple and yun nga, since mahirap na kumuha ng Elan, I got it right away. Sabi ko, okay, it's my birthday, I deserve it. May kasabay ko, pero hayaan mo na yun. Ito lang pakita natin kasi this is my favorite. I love the Elan particularly because meron na akong Elan before. It's, I forgot the color, but it's Blue Celeste yata yung color ng before ko. And then this one I think is Iris, if I'm not mistaken. So, ayan, talagang sabi ko, hindi ko kaya. Lahat ng meron ako is size 24. So, sabi ko, kailangan ko magkaroon ulit ng Elan. Meron na ako na malakay nito. So, sabi ko, hindi pwedeng wala ako ng favorite color ko. So, that's it. Nabudol na naman ako. Limited is life. Ayan. Bakit parang yung birthday ko, parang pang isang buwan yata ang regalo ko sa sarili ko. Okay, let's go down to ito po. Gusto ko yung orange. This is not a bag, but this is one of my collections. I have a number of these. Ayan, ito yung ginawa nila tong quota shoes. So, lahat ng tao hirap na hirap kumuha. Buti na lang, ang dami ko nito ng fur. Kasi buti na lang nung nag-start tong ilabas sa France, pinakita na sa akin. So, sabi ko, can you get me that in all colors? Sabi, the problem is we cannot get it for you anymore because it's selling like pancakes. So sabi ko, okay, just get me whatever color you have in my size. Then, yun, kahit pa isa-isa talaga, pinabili ko siya sa staff ko doon. So yeah, this is in white and it's quite hard to get. May iba pa akong kulay. So alam niyo na yun, nabudol na naman ako. I have a few. So alam niyo na what it means when I say I have a few. Ayan. From there, dito tayo sa, syempre hindi pwedeng wala ang fur and shoes. Alam mo naman, that's life. And everyone knows, as per my OOTDs, that I'm very into Fendi right now. Yee! Marami na ako nitong Fendi first na shoes. But, wala kasing mink agad na lumabas. Meron din akong rose nito. But, ang tagal ng pre-order niya, and tagal talaga ng waitlist niya. So, when this one came, it was just right in time for my birthday when it arrived. So sabi ko, oh my god, it is really meant for me. So sabi ko, it's a go, push na natin yan. So yan, so I got this also as a birthday present for myself, which I intend to use for Christmas. So yan. You know, surprisingly, this is a review for this. This is a very good pair of shoes. I've worn the other one, and I have the boots as well. I've worn both in the States when I traveled a few months back. Hindi sumakit yung pa ako. So this one is a good buy. So definitely this is LoveLuxe approved. So kung bibili kayo, alam mo na. It runs true to size, by the way, so you can get your true size. So, ayan. Mga happiness ko nakakakilig. Okay, dalawang limited. Syempre, dalawang limited yung last natin. This one, I've discussed na before yung hacker project ng Gucci and Balenciaga. You're able to do such a thing because they're under one company. They're run by Kering, parang sa LVMH. Like, they have a lot of brands under them. So this one, It was the hacker project because yun yan, there's Gucci Aria and there's Balenciaga hacker. This one in particular, this bubble jacket, I was able to get it from the hacker side. Mas mahirap kasi parang numbered lang yung ni-release nila as compared to sa Aria na ginawa. So, which is from Gucci. Actually, kaya kong gawa ng isang buong episode tong hacker project. Let's see kung kapag nagawan ko siya na per ano. So, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi paano ko gagamitin dito sa Pilipinas, diba? So, alam niya na kung bakit. Kasi lola niyo may travel na naman. So, God willing, everything is safe. Let's see. So, I can attend the meetings that I need to attend to. I'm going to wear this one because it's actually winter now sa ibang bansa. So, when I got this one, sabi ko, please reserve for me right away when you get the puffer jacket because sabi ko, kailangan meron ako yan gamitin kaya. So, may mga terno pa to. Alam niyo na. So, yun. This is limited one. I think parang isa lang to may nakapila after me. So, sabi ko, no way, that's mine. Ayun. Now, we're down to the last one. Tataka kayo, no? Wala yung dati kong favorite na brand. So, this one, actually, as my current, bakit parang lahat current obsession ko, Okay. So, this is a capucine, but, kinikilig ako. This is very special because this one is a lizard ombre. So, I found out that they made another one na parang yung shading ng ombre niya is the same with the Himalaya, but nakapila na sila. So, ayun, it's just a matter of making ipon. Ayan, so this one is, I think this is the first exotic capucine that I got, but all the rest of my capucines are limited. So, before kasi skeptical ako sa capucine, parang feeling ko, hindi ko siya ma-appreciate when it was just black and gold the first time they released it. But when Nicholas came up with a lot of ideas, and especially the arty capucines, I was able to get also. But matagal talaga kasi ang tagal ng production, ang tagal nilang i-release, so matagal dumating. So, they only produced 200 of those. So, yun. Ito rin, this is limited because they do not produce a lot of exotic materials. And hindi naman ganun kadami yung nagko-collect. So, when I saw this one, I wanted to get something that's yung parang feeling ko remarkable kasi I think I closed a deal that time that was very special for me. Or there was something that was, basta may nagawa akong super happy ako. Sabi ko, I need something to remind me or parang feeling ko, sweldo ko sa YouTube. Pero mas malaki pa yung inabono ko sa sweldo ko sa YouTube. So, ayun. So, napunta siya. Sabi ko, I want something that, when I see it, it reminds me of something that's good that happened to me. So, this is the one that I got. So, yan, kompleto yan. May side test yan. So, pag nag-travel ako, lahat, ganun. Kasi when you get exotic bags, aside from the ostrich skin, kailangan may mga side test. Lalo na pag crocodile, you have to bring the side test with you. It's like your passport para madala mo yon. So, it's a complicated thing that we can discuss when I do my Hermes. Whatever, if mama-convince niyo ako mag-Hermes. So, there. So, I think that's about it. Wow, that's about it about my unboxing video for the first time. Parang wala akong kwenta mag-unbox, but that's really how it is because I do not really keep the boxes because hindi nga talaga ako fan. But there. So, I'm very happy with everything that I bought for my birthday because, as I always say, you have to enjoy life as it is. If you've worked hard for it and wala ka namang tinapakan ng tao para makuha yan mga gusto mo, bakit hindi mo kunin, diba? If it makes you happy, go ahead and do it. Life is too short, para isipin mo pa yung sasabihin ng ibang tao sa'yo. So, there. That's why my aim is always to work hard, share, and of course, enjoy life as it is. So, I think that's about it for today, and I'm going to see you again on my next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or comment down below what you'd like us to feature next time. And of course, do not forget to hit notification bell button so that you get to be notified with whatever it is that we're going to do on my channel next time. I'm going to see you again soon, guys. Bye!